If you have pain in your hand, fingers, or thumb from arthritis or even texting or any other activity that makes your hand or thumb sore, these exercises may help. The first exercise is called a tabletop progression. Have your hand straight like this, then allow your fingers to bend, making a tabletop. Then the next joint should be flat like that as you can and curl them under. So the motion in series is like this. Bend, bend, bend. We're going to go in reverse all the way through. You might feel a little stretch as you work through that range, but aim for 5 to 6 of these exercises and then take a little break. Do it with the other hand and then move on to the next exercise. The next one is a finger stretch. Start with your hand with your fingers together and then allow the fingers to spread apart. You should feel a stretch between your fingers, holding that for 5 to 10 seconds and then bringing it back together. You shouldn't have any pain when you're doing this. If so, don't stretch as far. Allow it to go as far as you can comfortably and then bring it back in. Repeat this 5 to 6 times and take a little break. One way you can progress that stretch is by providing a little bit of thumb overpressure. Again, this shouldn't hurt the thumb. We should just get a little extra stretch in this part of the thumb right here. And so we're going to hold that extra stretch for 5 to 10 seconds and then ease back to relax that thumb muscle. If you have one of these chip clips, this is going to be really good to help relax the muscles in your thumb. What you'll do is simply place that in the crease of your thumb and just allow it to relax and to stay there for a few minutes. See how you can tolerate that after a minute or two, and then of course take that off and switch to the other hand if you're having pain, just to give that side a relaxing break as well. We find this to be helpful in the clinic because it allows you to relax those muscles, and it's just really easy to do. Putting that on there for a few minutes at a time, you might find relief after just a couple of minutes, and you can do this throughout the day as well. The key with this is to keep your hand relaxed. We don't want you to fight against this or to keep moving your thumbs. Just relax your hand and allow it to rest and to do this little self-pressure massage with the pressure of the chip clip. Finally, you can do a little bit of self-massage into the muscles of the thumb, going from the top around to the side and even to the base of the thumb. Doing a little bit of a massage can help to relax those muscles. Of course, you're using the other hand to do the massage, which could make that sore. You can check out my latest video about hand massagers and how I think those are really useful in some instances if you're trying to get a compression massage to the hand to relieve some joint pain. Take a look at that on the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.